Mr. Bombastic. We want is some bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. Shaggy. She call me Mr. Bombastic, very fantastic. Put me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, call me fantastic. Put me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Smooth, just like a silk. Soft and cuddly, hug me up like a quilt. I'm a lyrical lover. Don't take me thin or filled with my sexual physique. You know me well, Bill. Do me, don't mind, well, can't you tell? I'm just like a turtle crawling out of my shell. Girl, you captivate my body, put me under a spell. With your couscous perfume, I love your sweet smell. I'm bombastic, really fantastic. Put me on my back, she says I'm Mr. Boom, 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 boom.
Honey gave me that, she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, hanging on the I forget that I had given her an issue. All this time, forget that I had given her an issue. All this time.
Woman, access to your villa. Let us on your witness on the left and on your pillar. You better watch your woman, access to your villa. Let us on your witness on the left and on your pillar. Woman, they have to know how to play. She say a night can be just say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. And she claim I listen up, listen up, listen up, listen up, listen up.
It's on the video. To them, time, take it to them. Put that thing that they make on the video. To them, time, take it to them. Come on! I'm coming through with a thick crew, player. What up? You can't believe I'm on this shit too, player. What up? I'ma sit and watch you, girl, put it on me. What up? I love it when you got your ass clapping for me. What up? Your big ass covered the back of my Harley. What up? Ass from the front to the back of the party. What up? That's right. Yeah, girl. That's it. Come on. Get low, shorty, shake that shit. Come on. If you ain't got it learned, get it down pack, mommy. With all that ass you got sitting on your back, mommy. Now all my shorties need to get in line. I said because I'm only gonna tell you one more time. Cause if that ass kinda stocky, you fat, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, bounce back. While I get down, smoke drone, get low because I fucking said so. Come on.